Hey guys, I'm Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is going to be all about health, fitness, and positive vibes. So this is my first YouTube video with actual content, and as such, I wanted to share with you my blended salad because I think before exercise comes nutrition, and you need to fix your body from the inside out and all that jazz. So this here is something that I posted on my Instagram a while ago, and I asked you guys if you would ever drink a blended salad. It sounds horrible, but it's actually really good for you. And one of the reasons why I started doing this is because I really wanted to lose weight. I really wanted to be healthier, and I just didn't have the time to sit and eat a salad. It's boring. I like it quick, easy, and just out the door. So I'm gonna share with you guys how I make my blended salad, and if you try it, please let me know. So let's get into the video. Here are all the ingredients that I use for my blended salad. So I use lettuce, apple, onion, ginger, garlic, carrot, tomato, cucumbers, bell peppers, cauliflower, broccoli, and beets. So I usually blend all of that together with regular water because taste isn't a problem for me. But if taste is a problem for you, then feel free to use coconut water instead. This is my coconut. I'll be using that today. And I just picked this from my tree actually. Just climbed up, got this, brought it back down. Not a big deal, so fit. So what we're gonna do now is put all the ingredients inside. I'm gonna cut up my coconut, put the water inside, and then blend it in my Ninja Bullet. So let's get to blending. Guys, there you have it, my blended salad. If you try it, please let me know. I want you guys to like, comment, share, subscribe, and do all the other things YouTubers tell you to do. And until I see you next time, remember to live a fit 360 lifestyle, healthy body, healthy mind, and I will see you on my channel right here next time. Bye bye.